Now come to eighth part. It is 7921. Make pairs from right hand side. Second pair is 79. How many times it will go? Here see 8 8 ja 64, 9 9 ja 81. 81 is greater than 79. 8 times. Here write down 8. 8. 8 8 ja 64. Write down 64. Subtract it. Here 9 minus 4. It is 5. 7 minus 6. It is 1. Then second pair. It is 21. Now 8 plus 8. 16. Here how many times it will go? It will go 9 times. The 9 9 ja 81. 8 carry. 9 6 ja 54 plus 8 62. 6 carry. 9 1 ja 9 plus 6 15. Subtract it. We will get 0. Therefore, the square root of 7921, it is 89. Now come to ninth part. It is 576. Here make pairs from right hand side. It is 5. How many times it will go? 2 times. Here 2 to the 4. Subtract it. What will you get? 1. Bring second pair. That is 76. Your number becomes 176. Now 2 plus 2. It is 4. Now how many times it will go? 4 times. Write down 4 here and 4 here. Multiply 4 4 just 16. 1 carry. 4 4 just 16 plus 1. 17. Subtract it. You will get 0. Therefore, square root of 576 equal to 24. Now come to 10th part. It is 1024. Here make pair from right hand side. Second pair is 10. How many times it will go? 3 times. 3 3 is 9. Subtract it. You will get 1. 10 minus 9, 1. Bring second pair. It is 24. Your number becomes 124. 3 plus 3, 6. Here how many times it will go? 2 times. Write down 2 here. 2 here. Multiply 2 to the 4. 2 6 is 12. Subtract it. What will you get? 0. Therefore, the square root of 1024, it is 32. Now 11th part. It is 3136. Make pair from right hand side. Second pair is 31. How many times it will go? 5 times. Write down 5. 5 here. 5 5 is 25. Subtract it. What will you get? 11 minus 5, 6. Then second pair. It is 36. Your new number becomes 636. Here 5 plus 5, 10. How many times it will go? 6 times. Here 6 6 36, 3 carry, 600 plus 3, 3, 6 1 6. Subtract it. What will you get? 0. Therefore, square root of 3136 equal to 56. Now come to 12th part. It is 900. Make pair from right hand side. Second pair is 9. How many times it will go? 3 times. 3 3 ja 9. Subtract it. You will get 0. Bring the second pair. It is 0 0. 3 plus 3. It is 6. How many times it will go? 0 times. Here write down 0 0 0. Subtract it. What will you get? 0. Therefore, square root of 900 equal to 30. Now come to next question. Question number 2. Find the number of digits in the square root of each of the following numbers without any calculation. Here we know that if a perfect square, we know that if a perfect square is of n digits, then its square root will have n upon 2 digits if it is even, or n plus 1 upon 2 if n is odd. So say first part, the number of digits in the square root of 64 is 1. Why? Because 64 it has 2 digits and it is a even, therefore we divide it by 2. The 2 divided by 2, it is 1. Now come to second part, the number of digits in the square root of 144 is 2. Third part, the number of digits in the square root of 4489 is 2. Now fourth part, the number of digits in the square root of 27,225 is 3. Now fifth part, the number of digits in the square root of 3,90,625 is 3. Now come to next question. Now come to question number 3. Find the square root of the following decimal numbers. Say first part, it is 2.56. You have to find out the square root by long division method. Here make here before decimal from right to left and after decimal from left to right. Here it is 2. How many times it will go? 1 times. 1 1 year 1. Subtract it. What will get? 1. Remove the decimal. Then bring second pair. It is 56. 1 plus 1. It is 2. How many times it will go? 6 times. Write down 6 here and 6 here. 6 6 is 36. 3 carry. 6 2 is 12 plus 3 15. Subtract it. What will get? 0. Therefore, the square root of 2.56 equal to 1.6. Now come to second part. It is 7.29. Now again make pairs before decimal and after decimal. Here how many times it will go? 2 times. Write down 2 here and 2 here. 2 to is 4. Subtract it. You will get 7 minus 4 3. Remove the decimal. Then bring second pair. It is 29. Your number becomes 329. Now 2 plus 2. It is 4. How many times it will go? 7 times. 7 7 is 49. 4 carry. 7 4 is 28 plus 4 32. Subtract it. You will get 0. Therefore, the square root of 7.29 equal to 2.7. Now come to third part. It is 51.84. Make pairs. How many times it will go? 7 times. 7 7 is 49. Subtract it. You will get 11 minus 9 2. Remove the decimal. Then bring second pair. It is 84. Your number becomes 284. 7 plus 7 14. Now how many times it will go? 2 times. You will get 2 to is 4. 2 4 is 8 and 2 1 is 2. Subtract it, you will get 0. Therefore, the square root of 51.84 equal to 7.2. Now fourth part. It is 42.25. Again make pairs. How many times it will go? 6 times. Here write down 6. 6. 6 6 is 36. Subtract it. 12 minus 6. It is 6. Remove the decimal. Then bring second pair. That is 25. Your number becomes 625. Here 6 plus 6. 12. Now how many times it will go? 5 times. Write down 5 here and 5 here. Multiply it. 5 5 is 25. 2 carry. 5 2 is 10 plus 2 12. 1 carry. 5 1 is 5 plus 1 6. Subtract it. You will get 0. Therefore, the square root of 42.25 equal to 6.5. Now come to fifth part. 31.36. Make pairs. How many times it will go? 5 times. Write down 5 and 5 here. 5 5 is 25. Subtract it. 11 minus 5. It is 6. Remove decimal. Bring second pair. It is 36. Your number becomes 636. 5 plus 5. It is 10. Now how many times it will go? 6 times. Yes, 6 6 is 36. 3 carry. 6 0 0 plus 3 3. 6 1 is 6. Subtract it. You will get 0. Therefore, the square root of 31.36 equal to 5.6.